life cycle. Written by Chuck Garofalo. Introduction. When you were born, your body was shaped a lot like it is now, but it is smaller, of course. But you had a head, legs, and arms, and a torso. When you grow up, your body shape will be about the same. But some baby animals do nothing like the adults they will become. These animals have a different kinds of life cycle. A life cycle is a series of changes an animal goes through during its life. Insects have fascinating life cycle. Some insects have a 4-stage life cycle. The insect lives as an egg, larva, pupa, and an adult. Others have 3-stage life cycle. The insect is born as an egg, hatches as a nymph, and changes to an adult. What are insects? There are more than 800,000 different kinds of insects. They include butterflies, beetles, fleas, and flies. Although they come in almost every shape, most insects have a few things in common. All insects have 6 legs. Their bodies are divided in 3 parts. Most insects have wings and can fly. Most insects wear their skeletons outside the body as hard shells, and all insects begin as eggs. You can find insect egg everywhere if you know where to look. Most insects lay the egg near food they like to eat. Moths and butterflies lay eggs underneath leaves. Dung beetles lay eggs in balls of animal poop. Many flies lay eggs on meat. Some insects even lay eggs on other animals. Many insects have special cases to protect their eggs. One insect puts a foam around its egg. You may have seen this cuckoo spit in tall grass. Many insects lay eggs in pool, pond, or stream. Others lay eggs in their eggs in the ground. Rarely, a female insect keeps their eggs inside her body. The eggs hatch and the young are born alive. Larva. Most eggs hatch from a worm stage called a larva. Caterpillars, grubs, and maggots are larvae. They have long bodies and many legs. Almost all larvae are eating machines. A larva can eat more than its own body weight in one day. Many larvae can destroy grubs. Some larvae suck sap from grub roots. Others devour leaves. Others larvae can weaken and kill trees. Some moth larvae eat wool glossing. On the other hand, the silkworm, the moth larva, makes silk thread. Pupa. Once the larvae has grown, it must totally change its shape, and it must protect itself while it does so. Many larvae spin cocoons out of silk or grow hard shell. The pupa does not eat and does not move much, but inside the insect is very busy changing shape. This change is called metamorphosis. Adult. After the metamorphosis is complete, the pupa hatches as an adult. The adult insect has wings, 6 legs, and 3 body parts. Many larvae that lived in the water will hatch into the adults that live on land. Larvae can live underground and will hatch above the soil. Adult insects will find mates, and the female will lay eggs. Sometimes this is all adults do. Mayfly adults live for only one day. Most other insects have longer adult lives. They eat, fly, hunt, and work. Nymph. In three-stage life cycle, eggs do not hatch as larvae. They hatch as nymphs, which look like small adults. Some nymphs do not have full wings. Others, such as dragonfly nymph, may live underwater. Nymphs do not turn into pupae. Instead, they shed their skins as they grow. Each time they shed their skin, they look more like an adult. Slowly, the nymphs transform into an adult. Index.